first graders, welcome to Monday. We are going to start with a review from last week. Last week we talked about our straw card, which says ah, ah. Now we are moving on to a review. Think. Say, the word is. Call, next word, think. Say, the word is. Sauce. Think. Say, the word is. Talk, next word, think. Say, the word is. Yawn, think. Say, the word is. Hall, next word, think. Say, the word is. Ball, next word, think. Say, the word is. Cot, think. Say, the word is. Also, next word, think. Say, the word is. Draw. And we are moving on. So this week we are talking about silent letters. So when the consonants W and R show up together, it does not say w-er, it just says the R card which says So, for example, in the word right, the first two letters are W-R. The W is silent. This word is right. Okay? Then we have two more silent letters. The first one is KN, and the K is silent, and the second one is GN, and the G is silent. So they both say the N card, which is n. For example, this word right here, KN, and the K is silent, so it says n, then IT, it. So this word is knit. What's the word? Then this word is GN at the beginning. The G is silent, so we have n, at. What word is? Gnat. And a gnat is a type of bug. So, the first letter in these sounds are always silent. So this says This one says This one says Say them with me. Ready? Say Last one. Awesome. Let's try blending some words together. Ready? E. Word is knee. Next word. Word is knob. Word is wreck. Next word. This has a silent E at the end, so it says O. O. Word is gnome. Sounds two times. Ready? Sounds. I, E, O, ah, ot, ing, ooh, ah, er, ear, ooh. Okay, let's try some words. Ready? This has a silent E at the end. Word is right. Next word. Word is kneel. Next word. Silent E. Word is wrote. Word is knife. Word is knit. Next word. Word is wrong. Try some on your own. Ready? Read. Word is gnaw. Next word. Word is wrap. Next word. Word is gnat. Next word. Word is wrist. Next word. Word is not. Next word. Word is wren. Let's try some sentences. Word is he. What's the word? Word is cut. What's the word? Word is the. What's the word? Think. Say. Word is sight. Word is with. Sight. Word is last word. Think. Word is knife. Let's read it together. Ready? And read. He cut the knot with a knife. Good job. Next sentence. Sight word is I think. Say word is new. Next word. Sight word is next word. Think. Say word is mouse. Next word. Think. It says d. Say the word is nod. Nod. What's the word? Word is on. Word is the. Last word. Think. It says z. Word is cheese. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. I knew a mouse gnawed on the cheese. Last sentence. Ready? Think. Say. Sight word is the. Think. Say word is cloth. Sight word is on. Sight word is your. Last word. Think. Say word is wrist. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. Wrap the cloth on your wrist. Okay, moving on to bling words. We are still doing colors this week. This word is purple. What's the word? We spell purple P-U-R-P-L-E. Your turn. P-U-R-P-L-E. My favorite color is purple. Next word is black. What's the word? We spell black B-L-A-C-K. Your turn to spell it. B-L-A-C-K. It was so dark last night. Oh, sorry. It looked black. What's the word? Next word is white. What's the word? We spell white W-H-I-T-E. Your turn to spell it. W-H-I-T-E. Did you paint the walls white? Next word is orange. What's the word? Orange is spelled O-R-A-N-G-E. Your turn to spell it. O-R-A-N-G-E. The sky looks orange during the sunset. And our last sight word this week is pink. What's the word? We spell pink P-I-N-K. Your turn to spell it. P-I-N-K. They painted the baby's room pink. What's the word? Okay, the story we are reading today is called The Wrong Job. What's it called? All right, let's go over some words. We have this says word is month. Next word, asked. The word is asked. Sight word is said. This word old word is children. Word is do. Word is into. Word is year. Word is question. Word is what. Word is there. Word is done. Word is been. Okay, So we have some of those words that we just saw. So we have the word month right here. Then we have some of our silent letter words. We have knocks, we have knots, and night, and there's night again. Let's read together. Read. Each month, King Knox asked his knight to perform a task. He said, "Can you tie knots?" "No," said Knight Waldo. Next one, we have the word children highlighted right there. What's the word? Okay, then we have knocks again, and we have knife and night. Let's write it together. Ready? Read. King Knox asked, "Can you sharpen this knife?" Knight Waldo replied, "No, but I can butter homemade bread for all the children." Okay, next page. We have the word knit with our silent K, and then we have knocks again, and night. Let's read it again. Read. "Can you knit socks for me?" asked King Knox. "I do not know how, but I can pile this wool into a soft bed," said Knight Waldo. Next page, we have some highlighted words. This word is year. What's the word? And this word is question. What's the word? Okay, we also have the word knocks again. Then we have a new word. GN says ashed, nashed. And then we have another one, ocked. The word is knocked. And then here we have the word night with an apostrophe S, so the something belongs to the night. All right, let's read it together. Ready? Read. A year passed. King Knox gnashed his teeth. Then he knocked on the knight's door. He shouted, "Let me ask a question. What can you do?" All right, last page. Highlighted word is there. What's the word? Okay, then we have our KN right here for night. Then we have KN, which says old. Word is kneeled. Then we have knee, knocks, and ooh. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. The knight kneeled down on one knee. He said, "This is the wrong job for me." King Knox and Waldo knew their time was done. Last page. Sight word is been. What's the word? And then our words with our silent letters. We have knocks again. This one is knapsack. That's this thing that he has on his back. It's kind of like a backpack. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. Waldo wrote a note to King Knox. He quit his job. Then he packed a knapsack and left. He started a sheep farm. "I should have been doing this all along," sang Waldo. Alright. Some pronouns do not refer to a specific person, place, or thing, or number. Anyone could mean any person, and everyone could mean all people. So, does anyone know what time it is? The word anyone refers to any person, and then we have everyone thought the joke was funny, so we are referring to all people. Okay? You can have anything you want for lunch. That's no special thing. So there's nothing on the menu. You can pick what you want. And then there is nothing in the mailbox, which means no thing. We'll talk some more about that tomorrow. Check back tomorrow for another video. Bye.